Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Cody the Duke. Doing another EDC. So every once in a while, very rarely, be necessary to do a two-gun carry. So I just want to show y'all what that looks like whenever I have to carry a backup, and especially in states where you have a limit and can't carry a like 15 or full size on your person because of your state laws. So this is my two-gun carry. One in the front with an extra mag, and then a backup here. So not able to see, so we'll flip around and show you what everything I have on me. Alright, so let's get some light. Alright, so I'll try to do this one-handed. In the back right, back left. So that's 8 plus 1, or 7 plus 1, and another 7. And back left like that is another 7. Alright, let's see how best to do this. This is my EDC belt I carry when this actually works really well. It looks like a normal belt, which is why I like it, but it is really sturdy. It can hold two firearms at the same time. There's another one for my Smith & Wesson, and then an appendix carry, come on, like that. So that's how it would be carried. We'll sometimes back or left carry a knife. Right, front left pocket. Flashlight, lighter, multi-tool. Just gross shooting. Earplug. Wallet. Alright. Back right. Pry bar. Front right. Pen, tactical pen. Another flashlight. And then keys. And that's it. Oh, also, in all my hats I have cash, so whatever, those always are in the bill. And then I always carry cash too in the wallet. So that is my EDC today. Actually, one part that is I took off, I should put back on. One sec. Alright, and also back left will carry this in the belt like that. In the event I need even more. This one is a Kydex sheath, so it's not as comfortable. Whoa. But that obviously has a lot more length, and there's a lot of advantages to a fixed blade compared to my folder. But that would be my, I guess, two or extreme EDC, and or in the situations where you do live in a state where you can't carry more than 10 rounds or whatever certain states are. Usually I'll just carry more, 14 or 13, 15 plus 1. But sometimes we'll just rock 10 plus 1 and or 7 plus 1, depending on the day. And have smaller and or belt looped fixed blades. Depending on the situation, it all changes. Same with the belt and everything, really. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed. Cody the Duke. Have a good one. See you.